Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of alcohol and phenol. Next, esterification reaction. In esterification reaction, alcohols and phenols or phenols reacts with carboxylic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Then formation of ester. Alcohol ROH reacts with carboxylic acid RCOOH means R C double bond O OR OH. This is reversible reaction in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to give R C double bond O O R. This is R dash, here R dash. This OH group combines with this hydrogen and formation of the H2O and RCOR connect OR means alkoxy group and formation of this ester. Phenol also reacts with the carboxylic acid to give ester. Alcohol reacts with acid anhydride. This is also reversible reaction in presence of acid to give R C double bond O OR plus RCOOH. Here this H combines with OCOR and formation of this is also acid anhydride. Alcohol reacts with acid chloride. Acid chloride. In presence of PDD gives RCOO OR plus HCl that is ester. This H combines with this Cl. Consider ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Example both. Ethyl alcohol reacts with acetic acid CH3COOH, named for the acetic acid. In presence of concentrated H2SO4 to give CH3 C double bond O C2H5, name for this ethyl acetate. Another C2H5 same ethyl alcohol reacts with acetyl chloride, name for this acetyl chloride. In presence of this reaction carry out in presence of pyridine to give CH3 C double bond O C2H5, name for this ethyl acetate. C2H5 OH ethyl alcohol reacts with acetic anhydride. Draw this. This is also reversible reaction in presence of acidic catalyst to formation of the CH3CO or C2H5. Name for this ethyl acetate. लक्षात घ्या, here prepare ethyl acetate from ethyl alcohol by using different means acetic acid, acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. reaction for phenols, one reaction preparation of S3. Salicylic acid. Here two functional group, one is carboxylic acid, another is phenolic OH, that is salicylic acid. This salicylic acid reacts with acetic anhydride. This is also, this salicylic acid reacts with acetic anhydride in presence of acidic medium to give this COOH group acetate and phenolic OH. This H combines with this CH3COO, means formation of the CH3COOH, and this O combines with this group, that is the C double bond O CH3. This is acetyl derivative for salicylic acid. Derivatives, acetyl derivatives of salicylic acid. S3 next reaction due to breaking of CO bond. सुरुवातीला ज्या रिएक्शन पाहिल्या त्या आपण बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग बिटवीन दिस OH ग्रुप मधला O आणि H मधला बॉन्ड ब्रेक करण्याच्या रिएक्शन इस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन. आता रिएक्शन ड्यू टू ब्रेकिंग ऑफ C बॉन्ड OH म्हणजे कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन अल्कोहोल मधल्या किंवा फिनॉल मधल्या कार्बन आणि अल्कोहोल reaction with hydrogen halide. Reaction with hydrogen halide, you know hydrogen halide HX means HI, HBr, HCl. Reactivity order for alcohols reacts with hydrogen halide, HI greater than HBr greater than HCl. When alcohol reacts with HX, hydrogen halide, to give R X plus H2 with hydrogen halide to give alkyl halide. This OH, this bond break carbon and oxygen, and this OH combines with hydrogen and formation of the H2O, water side product, and product is alkyl halide. Alcohol reacts with HI and HBr easily, but this alcohol reacts with HCl only presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 and formation of respective alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride. Reaction with phosphorus halide, phosphorus trihalide, and phosphorus pentahalide means this alcohol reacts with PX3 or PX5, means phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus pentahalide, RX plus remaining alkyl in side product, means alkyl halide here also found. If you use PX3 at that time, thrice ROH and formation of the RX and PH3PO3 here also form. If you PX5, formation of the HCl RX and HCl side product and POX3. Dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohols. Formation of alcohol. अल्कोहोल मधले डिहायड्रेशन झालं तर डिहायड्रेशन म्हणजे रिमूव्हल ऑफ water molecule H2. Alcohol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. Alcohol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid H2 at 431 Kelvin temperature to give alkene. C double bond C, that is alkene. Here also use phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Also use alumina for dehydration of alcohol. This dehydration of alcohol takes place. Product is prepared as according to Stetsup's rule. An example discussed here. CH3, C, H, OH, CH2, OH. Sorry, CH2, CH3. Name for these: but, 2, butane, 2, all. This reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. Gives alkene. 2 alkenes here formed. One is CH3. This OH and one hydrogen from this adjacent carbon atom. One from here, then CH2 double bond C, H, CH2, CH3. Another, this as it is, and one hydrogen from here, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. Means but 1 in, and here but 2 in. Dehydration here takes place. Removal of water molecule. 2 products are possible. मग ह्या 2 प्रोडक्ट पैकी मेजर प्रोडक्ट कोणता असेल तर मेजर प्रोडक्ट हा असेल आणि हा प्रोडक्ट कसा असेल मायनर प्रोडक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेट्सअप्स रूल. नेक्स्ट, ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स. Alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary and secondary alcohols react with oxidizing agent. Dehydrogenation takes place and formation of the aldehyde and ketone. Means here dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means H2 molecule removed from this alcohol. Primary alcohol. Consider one example: CH3, CH2, OH. This is ethyl alcohol. This ethyl alcohol reacts with oxidizing agent. Means nascent oxygen atom here used. Oxidizing agent, that is a K2Cr2O7 dilute H2SO4. Dehydrogenation takes place from this alcohol. Means hydrogen molecule निघून जाईल. One hydrogen from here and one from here, and formation of the CH3 CH double bond O plus H2O. This hydrogen निघून गेलेला हायड्रोजन ह्या ऑक्सिजन सोबत कंबाइन होतो, वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल तयार होतो. Here formation of the aldehyde. One another example, this is a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol. CH3 CHOH CH3. This is the isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol also undergo the oxidation by using oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7 dilute H2SO4. Nascent oxygen atom here used to give dehydrogenation. One hydrogen from here, one here combines with this oxygen here H2O and formation of the CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone. And these aldehyde and acetone further oxidation to give carboxylic acid. Aldehyde and ketone. Further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. That is RCOOS. Aldehyde here, acetone here formation. Oxidizing agent here K2Cr2O7 dilute H2SO4. The oxidizing agent is also KMnO4 also used. Also used chromic anhydride. This is also acts as a chromic anhydride, acts as an oxidizing agent CrO3. Oxidation of alcohol means dehydrogenation takes place. Hydrogen molecule alcohol मधनं काय होईल remove. Heating with copper. Heating with copper. Alcohol vapors also passed through copper vessel. Then formation of aldehyde and ketone. Primary alcohol ROH. Clear लक्षात येण्यासाठी RCH2OH. This is the primary alcohol. This alcohol vapor passes through copper vessel 573 Kelvin temperature. Here oxidation takes place and formation of the RCHO aldehyde. Secondary alcohol also passes through copper vessels at 573 Kelvin. Oxidation takes place and formation of the ketone RCOR. Vapors of the tertiary alcohol passes through the copper vessel. Dehydration takes place. One is example CH3OH passes through this copper vessel at 573 Kelvin. Dehydration takes place. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. This OH combines with H from this carbon atom and formation of the alkene CH3 double bond CH2. Alkene here forms, that is a butane. जर तुम्हाला काही रिएक्शन मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम असतील तर मला विचारा आणि वारंवार रिएक्शनची प्रॅक्टिस करा आणि अंडरस्टँड करा. If you like the video, subscribe. Thank you.